enchanting country of the UAE is brimmed with stunning mountains, scintillating skyscrapers, majestic deserts, serene beaches, and mesmerizing waterfalls. Is an attraction for travelers and adventure seekers. It is a dream destination for many tourists visiting the land to see the jaw-dropping marvels like the Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, Dubai Frame, Museum of the Future, Dubai Palm Island, Ferrari World, Heritage Village, Desert Safari, Dhow Cruise Dubai, and many more. Khorfakkan, a port town situated in Sharjah Emirate, on the east coast of Musindam Peninsula, facing the Gulf of Oman in the United Arab Emirates, centers on the Khorfakkan Bay, the Khorfakkan Beach, and the seaport. Khorfakkan is rich in archaeological sites like the ancient graves and ruined Portuguese forts. Khorfakkan translates as the Creek of Two Jaws, the name given so because of its setting in a crescent-shaped bay, which is flanked by two headlands. It is an important port for ships to trade with India and Africa. The villages consist of different tribes, biodiverse mountain areas, waterfalls, and natural pools. One can enjoy the climate of the area of cooling winds from the pristine Khorfakkan Beach and admire the captivating scenery of the rugged terrains of the Hajar Mountains and beautiful rock formations. Offering a blend of man-made technology and natural beauty is the Korfakkan Waterfall. About Khorfakkan Waterfall. Overlooking the Khorfakkan Corniche is the Khorfakkan Waterfall. It is 45 meters long and 11 meters wide waterfall located at a height of 43 meters above sea level. This waterfall, equipped with the latest technologies, is linked to the amphitheater by elevators and walkways, providing visitors with an opportunity to see the city from a glorious vantage point. The waterfall is one of the most prominent tourist attractions added to enhance tourism in Sharjah, highlighting the infrastructure development and the authority of initiatives implementation. Enjoy a blissful day out with family and friends amidst the serene surroundings. The clear aquamarine waters, rugged mountain cliffs, and ribbon-like cascading waterfall are sure to leave your senses mesmerized. The waterfall, when illuminated at night, creates a magical atmosphere and makes for a spectacular watch for visitors. At the highest point of the waterfall, 35 meters high, is installed the main manifold, with a total of 60 underwater outlets to feed the waterfall. From this channel, water falls into a second channel, which is located 30 meters high, and from there the main cascade falls down the rocky slope. A group of 8 pumps, with a total power of 600 HP, is installed to push the water up to the higher channel. There is a unique water intelligent management system, allowing multi-visual water effects to automatically adjust its power usage and performance. The waterfall is illuminated in white color by a total of 198 GHESA projectors, equipped with a generation of LED lights that maximize the brightness while reducing power consumption. The installation works in a closed circuit and is managed by a sophisticated generation wind speed controller that automatically adjusts the waterfall operating modes according to the wind speed and direction. The water treatment system guarantees the quality of water complying with microbiological and chemical safety requirements.